In recent time, there has been a major disruption in the import of bulk drugs and active pharmaceutical ingredients to India. Troubled waters are quite evident as there is a constant threat of the supply chain norms being flouted. This, coupled with the ongoing border tension with China, have surely exposed India's vulnerability in the crucial pharmaceutical sector. The decision to promote bulk drug parks and the announcement of performance-linked incentive schemes aims to lift the spirits of Indian pharma industry. It is expected to go a long way in ensuring drug security, self-sufficiency, and uninterrupted supply of essential medicines to Indians at affordable prices. The need of the hour is to help promote self-reliance in active pharmaceutical ingredients. What has come to the aid of the industry is government's response to the medical emergency prevalent across the country. The recent announcement by the government to provide a Rs 10,000 crore pharma package is part of a large ongoing relief stimulus to get the economy back on track. This is expected to reduce India's dependence on imports and boost domestic manufacturing of APIs. Making India self-sufficient in APIs and key starting material will go a long way in enhancing India's end-to-end pharmaceutical capabilities and contribute to the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Industry experts have applauded the government for launching the productivity-linked incentive scheme for APIs and key starting material, along with the scheme for the timely promotion of bulk drug park across the country. Industry bodies have duly encouraged businesses and entrepreneurs to make the most of this opportunity. It is the most opportune time to invest in the API ecosystem and contribute towards enhancing in-house capabilities and capacities. This is being considered as the first step toward a sustained effort to help create a thriving API industry in country. In subsequent phases, many similar measures are required that enable access to easier loans and improve taxation benefits. A priority issue resolution across ministries would be welcome. Further improvement in access to infrastructure would create more IPs. In the long term, industry representative bodies are hopeful of seeing India not only self-reliant in APIs and key pharma ingredients, but also emerge as a global export hub. This will require a strong focus on aligning manufacturing and regulatory standards with global best practices and will help achieve cost competitiveness across global markets. With a shared long-term strategy, vision and commitment, the industry and government can together achieve this vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat in APIs and KSMs. The pharma industry has time and again thanked the government for these progressive steps in this direction. The scheme will help promote entrepreneurial initiatives in APIs and key starting materials. This is very important from the perspective of Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India, and strengthening the supply chain of Make in India, the farmer hub of the world. These schemes will also result in significant job creation. Several firms have already expressed interest in participating in these schemes. The government policy to encourage the fermentation-based industry will also help build self-reliance as China has gained importance in fermentation-based APIs, namely antibiotics and vitamins. This will help the sector regain its dominance that is once enjoyed but also lost over the years due to multiple reasons. The investment undertaken to create bulk drug parks is an important step in the right direction for the development of the pharma sector. This would be helpful in tapping the benefits of resource optimization and economies of scale, thereby helping the industry meet environment standards at lower cost through innovative methods of common waste management systems. Industry experts are of the opinion that India should not merely aim at becoming self-reliant, but global exporters for the bulk drug industry. The industry and policymakers must look at the way of using existing domestic capacities to produce APIs which are lying idle. The new policy is being widely hailed as a bold announcement by the government and will give the necessary flip to the API industry in India. This will surely work well in the creation of a self-sufficient healthcare ecosystem in the country. This will help safeguard healthcare security and will create the ecosystem for a strong Indian API industry.